Hello, today we will guide you through how to create XM Trading account in mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the basic process of setting up a demo trading account on your phone using the XM mobile site. If you're following along in real time, make sure you have a stable internet connection and keep your details ready so the setup goes smoothly. To begin, open your mobile browser and go to the XM website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account area before moving forward. This helps avoid confusion if multiple pages or pop-ups appear on your screen. Next, look for the plus sign and tap it. This option is typically used to add or create a new account, so selecting it will take you to the account creation choices. If your screen looks slightly different, just look for the same Add Account icon. When the available account types appear, tap on Demo. This is the option you'll use if you want to practice trading without using real money. A demo account is a useful way to become familiar with the platform, test features, and understand how everything works before making any live decisions. After selecting Demo, tap Continue. This will move you to the next stage of the setup process. From here, you may be taken through several screens asking you to confirm account preferences or proceed through the form. On the following screen, tap Continue again. Keep following the prompts as they appear. The app or mobile site may guide you through account settings step by step, so it's perfectly normal to see several confirmation screens in a row. Continue by tapping. Continue on the next page as well. As you move through these sections, read the information on each screen carefully so you understand what you're agreeing to or selecting. Once again, tap Continue to proceed. This part of the process is usually straightforward, and the goal is simply to move through the setup screens until you reach the account security section. Then tap Continue one more time. At this point, you should be near the final stage of creating the demo account. Finally, enter a password in the password field. Make sure you choose a strong password that you can remember, ideally using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if required by the platform. Avoid using personal or easy-to-guess information, and store the password somewhere secure if needed. Once your password is entered, your demo account setup should be nearly complete, depending on what the platform asks for next. That's it for this guide on creating an XM Trading account on mobile.